Welcome. Today, we are exploring the critical world of content moderation with artificial intelligence. We will look at how automated systems filter generated outputs to ensure safety. So, what exactly is AI content moderation? Think of it as a digital safety layer. It sits between the artificial intelligence and you, the user. Its job is to filter and monitor everything the AI creates, whether that is text, images, or audio, ensuring it is appropriate before you ever see it. Why is this necessary? There are three main reasons. First, to stop harmful content like hate speech or violence. Second, to reduce bias and ensure fairness for everyone. And third, to prevent the spread of misinformation and false facts. The process generally happens in two stages. First, there is an input filter that checks your request to make sure you are not asking for something dangerous. Then, after the AI generates the content, an output filter scans the final result one last time before showing it to you. The simplest method is keyword blocking. This uses a list of banned words. If the system detects a forbidden word, it blocks the content. It is fast, but it can sometimes make mistakes by blocking safe conversations that just happen to use those words. A smarter approach is contextual analysis. Instead of just looking for specific words, the AI looks at the whole sentence to understand the intent. For example, using the word kill in a computer programming context is fine, but using it in a threatening way is not. The system is smart enough to know the difference. For images, we use computer vision. This technology scans generated pictures for banned objects, appropriate content, and even checks for real people's faces to protect privacy and prevent deepfakes. Machines learn from us. Through a process called reinforcement learning from human feedback, human reviewers rate AI outputs as safe or unsafe. This data helps train the model to make better decisions on its own in the future. No system is perfect. Sometimes we get false positives, where safe content is blocked by accident. Other times, we see false negatives, where harmful content slips through the cracks. It is a constant balancing act to get it right. To summarize, AI moderation is the key to a safe digital experience. By combining keyword checks, smart analysis, and human feedback, we can enjoy the benefits of creativity while staying protected. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.